Hi everybody, Greg Davis down here in Savannah. I want to give you a look at a trade I just took in. This is a 2024 Yamaha 255 Fish, the H model, which stands for the Helm Master. This is in the light gray tandem trailer, hard top. Got just about everything you would want on this boat. Let's take a look at the back end of it real quick. This is what makes the Yamaha so popular, is the engines are underneath the swim platform. And so it gives you great access in and out of the water. The kids are not worried about an outdrive or props. This one has stereo control. It has a table mount there, collapsible boarding ladder. And on this model, there are these plugs here. This is for a swim up bar stool. They actually click in here, really neat, so you can hang out in the water. Rod holders, drink holders, everywhere in this boat that you look. Ski tow right here, so it does everything from the fishing side of things, friends, family, to pulling tubers. Let's get inside and I'll give you a quick look at interior. Hi everybody, this is the 255 Fish H model, and I wanted to give you a look at the inside of it. Comes standard with the snap in, snap out sea deck, which is great, easy to clean. If you tear one, easy to replace. Giant live well or aquarium. Kids love this. This filler cushion here also is a table. Great seating up front, drink holders, stereo speakers, anchor locker that's dedicated. You can see how much room is up here in the front. Take these out, it makes a great casting deck for throwing a cast net or fishing. Rod holders along the gunnels here, rod holders along the console with convenient cutouts in the T-top that are padded for your rod tips. Makes it real nice. On this side, we've got storage and a tackle center. And then on this side is a trash can, table legs, fire extinguisher. So there's plenty of storage in this boat. One unique thing about this model is the changing area. Now this is a real unique use of space here. So the whole thing comes up. There's a privacy curtain. If you wanted to add a porta potty, we've done that before. These actually come off and out. If you didn't want to use this, you could use it for storage. You have access to all of your electronics there. Very easy to get in and out of. Really good use of space. Let's walk back. Still more rod holders on the sides. Drink holders everywhere. We'll take a look at the helm here. They've done a real nice job. They've teamed up with Simrad for a GPS fish finder. This is the Yamaha Connext screen, induction charging for your phone, more drink holders, compass, all your switching. This model has a 12-volt receptacle and charging ports right here. This is the Helm Master. This is what changes this model in performance and docking maneuverability. You can move the boat sideways, backwards, turn it. A very, very unique setup. This is the fly-by-wire binnacle, electric start, lockable glove storage here. Your keys and your kill switch are down here. Again, you can see this model has the hard top with lighting, speakers, rocket launchers. I don't know, there's a ton of rod storage in this boat. Fold down bolsters for both passengers and even a foot bar for your shorter people that can stand up and see over the dash. Coming in the back, you can see how it's set up now with a bench seat across. Makes great seating. This is comfortable for everyone, but very quickly these come off. So the next day you want to go fishing, you do these, you fold this down, and now you have a complete back deck to fish out of or launch a tube from, and it's very easy. Give you a quick look at the engine box here. This has got the twin 1.9 liter turbocharged engines, super easy maintenance. Fuel, the oil filters here, dipstick, everything's very easy to get to. Another live well. It's got a raw water and fresh water wash down here in the corner. One thing I really like that they've done, your batteries are up here. They're down in here, but they're out of the water, above the water line. More rod holders. So if you like information on this boat, any boat here at MarineMax, feel free to give me a call, 912-897-9881. Thanks.